if you ever wondered how you can go live from StreamYard to Instagram, and with that could bring more customization, more bells and whistles, but at the same time have a more interesting and engaging live streaming for your audience, you are in the right place, because right now in this tutorial I'm gonna explain you how you can do that. Stay there because I will be right back. Hello, Marco Novo here. I've been working with StreamYard for some years. I'm also a live streamer, a live producer, a content creator, and I understand how important it is to spread our word all over the world. By the way, you have in the video description a link to try StreamYard. You have as well some links for other tools that you can try, and if you buy from there, you'll get some extra discount or a nice deal, and you will help me to keep going with my work, and I will be really thankful to you. So let me explain how you can do this thing from StreamYard to Instagram. Before starting, I need to say that I'm going to do 2 steps, okay? One is to set the studio to be ready to go live on Instagram or other platform, which is kind of portrait mode. And this doesn't mean that you can't go live on Facebook, because we see also some portrait mode content on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube as well. So there's no problem. You can go live with the same portrait mode on other platforms, because StreamYard allows that. But I'm going to put this on portrait mode, and then I will help you to set things on Instagram as well, so you can go live. So let's do this. So first thing, as you can see, this is the regular studio from StreamYard, and as you can see, this is the horizontal orientation, and we don't want that. So we go to settings, and we go here to general, and we have here this orientation thing, and let's press portrait. There you go. As you can see, it already changed. And now let's go to another tab here, layouts, and you can pick those that you want to use. Okay, right now I have all this, so let me keep them. Now let me add the speaker to the screen. As you can see, this is how it looks. So you don't need, by the way, you don't need to crop the camera. Okay, for instance, if you are using a virtual camera like I'm doing right now, I'm using OBS as a virtual camera, you don't need to crop the image. Okay, so this is how it looks. By the way, have in mind that the brand assets like overlays, videos, they should go with the portrait mode as well. As you can see here, I have this layout, this overlay, sorry. I have here also my videos. You can do this. I do the videos on InVideo. The link is in the description, and the graphics, I do them on Canva. So it's up to you. Okay, so let me take this overlay from the screen, and let me add a nice guest. There you go. So I'm just gonna showcase which kind of layouts you can get here. This one, you have this one with the highlight. I don't know if you know it, but if you don't know, I'm gonna show you. You can just switch the speaker, drag and drop. As you can see, this little hand here, up, there you go. Woo, nice. And also you have this when you use a screen share. Let me show you. So now let me show you how you can do a screen share. You go to present, share screen. Let me pick, for instance, my virtual mixer. Okay, let me add it to the stage, and as you can see, it's there. And meanwhile, you want to keep the conversation, blah blah blah, and then you want to go back here, and now you want to go like this, and then you want to go blah blah blah. Now you want to switch to this one, and as you can see, okay, it's up to you. Okay, so right now everything is set. It's ready to go live, at least on stream. Oh, almost there. So now you need to go here, create, live stream, and I already have here set my Instagram accounts. By the way, you can only go live if you have a professional Instagram account. So if you don't have it, you can switch. It's easy. You go to the menu and then you can change there. So let me show you how you can add in destinations, Instagram live. You just need to put here the handle with the @ sign, okay, and add Instagram live. As easy as that. So let me go back. I'm going to pick this. I'm going to put here a title. Testing. Oop. IG live on. Okay. I'm going to copy this. And now I'm going to go to Instagram. Let me finish this. Now I'm on Instagram and you have here this plus button. This is in Portuguese, so I'm giving you also a Portuguese lesson, how nice I am. So you have video in direct to live video. You have here this icon, which is easy to recognize. Now you can type or you just paste here the title. Here you go to the audience, public. Okay, public. Next. And you need to pick this key. Okay, this is what you need to pick. Just this. Okay. So let me go here again. Copy. Please don't close that pop-up. Otherwise, you'll need to start over again the setting. There you go. Save changes. Now you press go live here and then you need to press go live on Instagram. So let me press it here. All good. Go live. And now you will see the video feed will appear here. Once it appears here, this will be enabled. So there we go. Go live. So right now I'm live on Instagram testing this feature. Blah, 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 blah. Now you can, please don't press here. Okay, just leave it like this. Blah, 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 blah. Now let's do this. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Blah, blah, blah again. Blah, 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 blah. You can switch things and it's time to end the live stream. So bye, see you next week. Blah, 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 blah. You can come here, end live video. First, you need to finish on Instagram, okay? And then you can end it here. As simple as that. So this was what I have for you today. Hope this is useful. Please let me know in the comments if you need more tutorials about StreamYard, about live streaming. Please feel free to ask me. Don't forget as well to subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget as well to hit the bell so you can get notifications next time I will be posting a video, whatever. Also, as I said before, you have in the video description some links that I believe could be really useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.